Yo guys, we're not playing Driver Train to the end, but we're playing with Urundle, other game. But we wouldn't of course have to decline, or I wouldn't have been talking to you guys now. So, let's join them, let's see what he's playing. Yo, what's Talbot playing? Still a print. Hell no. If you guys didn't know, I'm friends with a YouTuber with 5 million subs. I don't think he's online. Brookhaven. No. Still a bird. Oh. What should I get? Yeah. Oh. This game is new. So guys, this game just came out, so. Yo, why is there a mythic? Yo, why is there a mythic in the ground? Whoa, look at this guy. Look at this guy's place. Look at this. A big bird. Nope, you ain't slapping me. Nope. La. Oh, I stole an epic. I'm gonna steal another one. I'll get the epic. I want good bird. Good bird. This guy have good bird? No, no good bird. My place opened in 17 seconds. And I'm going here. But guys, if you want me to make more long videos, just leave in the comments. Leave in the comments if you want me to make more. And I will make more videos. Long form videos. Okay guys. If you made it to the end, comment a sun emoji. If you don't, you poo poo. Okay, bye guys.